Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 9SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the move your keyboard on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose System and Updates, Language and Input, and now Syria keyboard. Following that, tap on Theme and tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to try something more cool, you can always go into App Gallery and download Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Now open it and choose Enable SwiftKey. Over here, click on the switcher next to Microsoft Keyboard, choose OK in the pop-up and tap on Select. Then click on Microsoft Keyboard over here, tap on Finish Up, and go into Sign in with Google or Microsoft. You can also click on Not Now. Then click on Home button, go into Settings, choose System and Updates, Language and Input, and this time Microsoft Keyboard. Over here go into Themes and select Custom. Now tap on Start over here and tap on Add Image. Finally choose Allow in the pop-up and select Background or your new keyboard. Over here you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, adjust background darkness by swiping left or right and tap on Done at the top right corner. Lastly, enable all disable symbols and keyboarders by tapping on the right switchers and choose Save at the top right corner. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, as you can see, theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!